So today we are here at Disney Springs and we haven't been here in a long time, so we're excited to see the shops and what's new and maybe find some food. Logan's got the map and I have my new camera here today, the Sony a6400. So, oh god, there's so we are here to test out the new camera and have some fun. So here we go.
Before Mother's Day.
Yes, it's the day before Mother's Day.
Mom, a Lego mom, and it's a Mother's Day mom.
Yes, so we're here to celebrate Mother's Day too, and our first station is going to be the Lego store.
And we are also going to go to Rainforest Cafe and see what they got.
All the cute animal things.
Yes,
we love walking through there. We might eat. We'll see. We got to pick someplace. So.
It'll be a great time for Mother's Day.
All right, here we go. Here at this Pandora store, and of course if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I love the Disney Pandora stuff, so I can't pass this up. Here we go. Alright, so we saw some of the new charms, but sadly they were out of most of the new Aladdin stuff, so I wanted the cute little genie lamp because it's so cute. So anyways, on to Legos. Legos!
Yeah. Time to make Lego mom.
What are you gonna find there? You want food, don't you?
Yeah, I'm just
And then on to food.
I'm just waiting to when after we do Lego, we can go to Rainforest Cafe. You're gonna like this stuff.
Gotcha.
Wait, can I do one?
It's Darth Vader. Wow, is that new? Oh wow, I don't know. That Hulk's pretty cool. You want your head? You don't hit your head. You want a picture?
Hold on.
Cheese. Gotcha.
Now I get it. Yeah, he wants one.
Gotcha. All right, let's go find that Lego station. Oh, here's the first Lego station. Alright, so it's pretty loud here in the Lego store, but I'm going off the camera's microphone. I did not bring my mic, so we'll see how it goes. But this is Logan's favorite thing to do. Anything Lego is build his own people. So here we are. I think we get to build 3 people, so we'll see what he ends up making.
I made a Chef Logan on a surfboard and a mom holding a bunny.
Oh, the mom for Mother's Day, huh?
Yeah.
With little Chef Logan?
Yeah.
Cute! Patrick, what did you make?
Okay, mine is either Jungle Man, whatever, Jungle Attacker, or Chef Cop. He's got Cop name. Chef Cop or
You gotta
Jungle
pick.
Attacker.
How cute, an old black and white Steamboat Mickey set. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Alright, these are our creations we got, huh? Alright, let's go pay. You want to hold it? Alright, I think these guys are getting hungry, so we're probably going to have to go eat before we go do the big shop. But I can't wait to go to the World of Disney. I haven't been since they redid the whole store, so I'll probably have a separate video of the whole store, and then I'll show you guys the store too, but I'm excited. And then the Lego store is right here next to the World of Disney. We'll be right back to you, World of Disney. I think we are heading to Rainforest.
Yes.
This away.
You have that water.
Ooh, all the fog. Ooh, oh, there is a gator in there. Oh, it's so steamy, you almost can't see him. What do you think? Creepy gator? No, he's not real. He looks pretty real, doesn't he? All right, we're ready to head inside and see what it looks like inside Rainforest Cafe.
15-minute wait.
And
15 minutes. That's like nothing.
I've been so glad
here we
to
go.
come and see this. Show me the gator.
I did. I showed the gator.
Oh,
I know.
such a
Woo!
realistic, cool thing.
Okay, head on in. Let's.
Okay, here we go. Guys who follow this is Logan, look at this snake. Look at this snake.
Oh, Logan sees a bunch of little animal dolls. He loves these things. Looking at you up there. Oh, he sees us.
Why isn't he moving?
Oh, he did. He just looked at you.
Oh my God, his tail.
Ooh, look at the cool jungle vest. Safari guide, Rainforest Cafe, $30. Whoa, look at this backpack. Full tiger face. Wow, you could wear that on your back. Oh, Patrick.
$50. That's crazy.
Oh, I found a
Hang it up somewhere.
$12.99. Fill your bag of animals, huh? How much?
How much?
50.
50. Wow, spot on with the guess there, Dad. We've shopped Disney enough. All right, so we're waiting on the food timer. How long do we have left? Maybe 10 minutes? Maybe 5?
No, 6.
6, okay. And we are vegetarian too, so we'll see what we're gonna eat after we get into, oh my goodness, there's a panda here photo bombing us in our
I
shot.
love my panda.
All right, so about 5 minutes left till it's time to eat, so we'll see what good veggie meals we can find here. Oh, panda. Ooh, a scorpion in the necklace. I found it. They have a molly. Okay, the food buzzer buzzed, so here we go. What is this big thing? A fruit tree? That's a big banana up there. That's a big apple. Hey Logan, look at the animal butts.
Yeah, you want an animal butt?
If you sit in one of those, you look like animal booty. Ooh, we're in the middle of a storm in the rainforest. Ooh, Patrick, it's storming in the rainforest. Yes. Logan is over here working on his kids menu. We got 2 of the anaconda pastas. Patrick got some cheese pizza and some french fries, and I'm really tempted to get that strawberry daiquiri. So I mean, it is Mother's Day, at least for our celebration. I do have on my Mother's Day present as well. So I got a little Tiffany flower. It's not focusing. Come on,
Sparkler on
focus.
top, and they call it a sparkling volcano.
Oh, that one's moving up there, Logan. I see.
Did you get a second to check out the menus, or do you want to?
See the elephant? Ooh, the big one's moving. And then look up at the ceiling.
You get a big pizza, Mom.
Yeah. stand here with him, ready? Ooh, you want to stand there in the picture?
This gorilla has no comments. Make sure you get a
Gotcha. Patrick started on the pizza. Good pizza?
Would you like a bite of my pasta?
Good fries?
Yeah.
All right, and the pasta meal. Did you take a bite yet, Tommy?
Delicious.
Yeah, it is. All right. Oh, it's getting dark. It's gonna storm, isn't it? Ooh! It's storming, guys. What do you think of that, Logan? Pretty cool? And then these guys get to eat in the dark. Ooh, it's storming here in the rainforest. Alright, I'm gonna try this food. Alright, let's go on in the candy store and then we'll come back to Rainforest. Take a bite, let me see.
Try it, try it.
It's good. That was a marshmallow ear and a little bit of cake.
I love the cake.
Oh wow, that was a good choice. A hidden mini. Oh, good find, Logan.
Squat down a little.
Hey, look at my head.
Oh, the world looks different.
Squat down more.
What a goofy mirror, huh? Alright, and we got some extra treats here. Yummy, yummy, I'm ready. Ooh, Tommy's working on the s'more. How is it? Alright, I gotta try a little bite.
Hard.
You should get one of these, Mom. I love Mom. You guys who love your mom out there, you should come here.
Guys, look! They made this out of jelly beans.
Patrick, look!
They made it out of jelly beans. That's all jelly beans.
Oh, wow. Oh, I never tried a blue jelly bean.
Ooh, what did you find, Logan? Coins? Do you want to pick which pack you get?
Yeah, because this is only minis and Plutos. Take my stuff.
Someday I come here and get one of these.
Alright, so we are leaving the Goofy Sweet Treats, and I got this for the first time. Chocolate on both sides, and then whatever this little glob is. Like, it looks like Mickey ice cream, and it's not. Ready?
I got chocolate
It's really
coins.
Rice Krispie.
I got chocolate coins.
Is it
Covered in chocolate.
Is it a cake pop?
Oh my, it's too big. Alright, so I've been testing out my Sony a6400, but now I'm switching to the GoPro and we are going in the world of Disney. So let's go shopping! Everything. There's these are glittery. Oh, pink glitter. That's pretty cute. And a jetpack backpack. Magic Mickey! Never seen him. I like it. Celebrate Mickey. Birthday Mickey! Party Mickey! Oh no. Party Mickey and Party Minnie with a little blowy in her mouth. Zoom Zooms!
Party Pluto.
Party Pluto and Donald. Oh no, this little guy loves Zoom Zoom. What did you find? Party Zoom Zooms.
I got Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Mickey.
Oh, they're all so cute. Oh, let's celebrate. That's cute. Alright, so that was a fun time shopping at the World of Disney. There's another sign. And I'm still on my GoPro, but we are coming out here to Starbucks. So you can't be at a Disney and not get a Starbucks, right? Here we go. Alright, so we had a fun time. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed the camera. I hope the footage turned out good. So we'll see when we get home in the edit. Thanks for joining our magical adventures. What's Logan gonna say?